Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's up, guys? My name's Eddie Valiant. I play for 1S1K, and I already forgot what else I was supposed to say.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from...
Get out.
This is the Fight Night National Championship Series hosted by KWA and SpeedQB, where the best competitive airsoft players were scouted from across the US at regional events and brought to Las Vegas for a final double elimination tournament to claim the title of National 1v1 Champion. Here's how it works. Close objectives are worth 10 points each, while the farther and more difficult objectives are worth 15 points each. Each round lasts 90 seconds or until a player secures the kill, which earns an additional 30 points. Each matchup consists of 4 rounds, with both players using rifles for the first 2 rounds, followed by their choice of pistol or shotgun for the last 2 rounds. In today's video, I'll be playing a 2v2 warm-up session which determines the seeding for the main bracket, followed by a super cool set from the 4v4 national tournament that took place that same weekend. Before we get into that, this channel is sponsored by LA Airsoft, where you can find the best airsoft replicas and competition upgrades, and by my generous patron and channel members who didn't actually exist when this was filmed. Thanks guys, let's get into the video.
Thank you guys. Alright guys, you guys are going to start pacing away. Once you guys off the break enter the field on the orange, you can't come back out and use this bunker, okay? Staying within the...
Start shooting till you enter the arena, right? Off the break. Ready up? We got Sosa and Cody versus Hannah and Eddie. Round 1, both using rifles. Game is live on the horn. Ready up.
That's it.
Thank you.
All right, Martin. We're starting on Eddie and Hannah's side.
What happened?
2
What
kills.
Shot off break like an idiot.
It's all good. Whew, that got me going a little bit.
2 standard objectives.
I picked up your point.
Am I recording still?
Yeah. Hey, get those pot targets, yeah?
All right, guys.
Get there
this is
safe
round
and get
2.
pot targets.
Rifles. Ready up. Live on the horn.
Damn!
Your mirror's up! Come on!
Back left.
Oh, you got both?
I always pop these off.
Shot before the line. You got pulled in the
Oh, we did that last round. Are we on pistols now?
Sosa and Cody. A reminder, don't start shooting until you enter the arena, right? Off the break. Ready up. This is round 3 of 4. Live on the horn.
Pin back right.
So my mirror, so 350.
He's down low. Ah. I dry fired on the last shot.
With Eddie and Hannah.
Hey, if I hit the target and it moves, it counts, right? That was my bad. When I popped up on him, I was out. I dry fired once.
Zero difficult. Game is live on the horn.
Back right. Back right out. Back right out. Get points.
Where is he? Snake 50. No, left side, 50. These guys. Oh, I thought it was still Hannah.
Hey, Joseph.
I didn't want to get him out.
Wait, that's it, right?
That's it.
Okay. That's fine.
2 kills.
Is that Eddie Valiant?
3.
Do I look good today? Okay. I'm still not warmed up.
So good. We'll get warmed up. So I saw him on D2, and I just didn't want to kill him, so I tried to get that far point.
Did he peek on you?
And as I was walking up, he picked me up.
Ah.
Close score.
It's doing more harm than good at this point for me. Give him the old. Yep. Get your pump action ready. Hold on, people are. Oh my God! Get out of the fucking way! God damn!
Give me one BB.
Let's go.
You fucking idiot.
Well, now you're down to 1 mag. Are you nervous? Is it your first time?
How your knees feel? Good?
My legs feel like shit, bro. All of this, barely functioning.
Round 2 is live on the horn.
One Lego still. 3. 1 3. Lego still. Lego. 3. 1 3.
Home out! Center.
Lego. Left Lego.
Lego out. Run it. I hit the sickest 1 ball on home.
Hey, 1 shot, 1 kill.
That's right. Oh.
Oh yeah. Eddie with all targets.
Always.
Damn.
Always.